Hello everyone, my name is Kara. Today I'm going to try making some Bodhi Milk Tea. So first we're going to take some tea leaves. The tea leaves I've got here are Bodhi Pu-erh Tea, and this has been aged for about 6 or 7 years. So for the quantity of tea, for about a pot of this size, I'm going to put this much tea. Okay, in terms of water, we're going to fill the pot until about half full. Okay, so let's turn on the heat and boil the tea. And I'll put the lid on. Okay, so the tea has started boiling. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And now it's time to add some salt. You can just salt it to taste. So our tea has been boiling for about 3 minutes, and now it's time to add the milk. And I'll use about 1 small cup of milk. In we go. So after I've added the milk, it's very easy for the tea to boil over, so we're going to turn it down to low heat, and now's a great time to stir it gently. So based on the color of this tea, I think I need to add a little bit more milk, so I'm going to add another half cup. So at this point, we've been cooking for around 10 minutes, and the fragrant aromas of the milk tea have already started to come out. So it's time to turn off the heat and pour the milk tea into our teapot. I've got a strainer here, and I'm going to use it to strain out the tea leaves. And it fits perfectly. It smells amazing. I can't wait to try it. Oh, that's absolutely delicious. You've got to try making Bodhi milk tea.